Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the structure as adverb as. I pushed as hard as I could. Okay, here hard is an adverb. I pushed as powerfully as I was able. Let's see, I'm sure you're all quite happy with the as adjective as construction. It's as black as night out there. As quick as a flash, he took out the money. The project is as dead as a dodo. That's as adjective as. But we can also use this with adverbs. So he dressed as elegantly as he could. Very often as adverb as you can. So equal to the maximum. Yeah. I want you to walk as slowly as you want, as slowly as you wish. Yeah. I would like this done as quickly as you possibly can. Yeah, as quickly as possible. Please do this as quickly as possible. So notice the adverb is defining a verb that comes before it. Yeah. I want you to do this as in as detailed a way as you can. Okay, as detailed a way is an adverbial phrase. I want you to now that you are rich, you can spend as extravagantly as you desire. Okay, so spend extravagantly. Spend as extravagantly as is needed, as you need. Okay, so it's a nice structure to use as well. Most commonly with the verbs as adverb as you want, as adverb as you can, as adverb as you are able, as adverb as you need. Yeah, do it as often as you need. Often an adverb of frequency. Do it as slowly as you wish. Yeah. Do this work as carefully as possible, or as carefully as is possible. Okay, so do it carefully, and then we're adding the idea that as possible. So as you can, as you are able. It's got this idea of being equal. I thought of this in another way as well. As fast as I earn money, as quickly as I earn money, I spend it. Okay, this is another use. As quickly as I earn quickly, I spend. Yeah, so I spend money as quickly as I earn it. Yeah, as quickly as rapidly as. So try using this as adverb as phrase. It's quite neat, and it is perhaps more interesting than these metaphors. As pure as the driven snow. Yeah, as black as jet. Yeah, as cheap as chips. These are all with adjectives, but try forming some with adverbs because they will look nice. So I have tried to make this video as well as I am able. Yeah, equal to the top of my ability. So I think that's probably it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. So, as adverb as quickly as you can, as often as you want, as passionately as you can.